Hey, Dana here. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. And this is on altitude because the wife just said that the FedEx driver just dropped off a package for me. And what's in that package is...
You got a hell of a alarm, door alarm, don't you? I said, yeah, I do. 9 of them. Said it just like that. Hell of a door alarm.
Ooh-wee. So, what I should have in here. You want to pick it in?
Huh?
Sweet. Okay. I have 2 new batteries. One Crystalsky bracket. And one Crystalsky monitor.
Nothing for the wife.
I'm sorry.
Oops.
Yeah.
You know, these things I was going to tell you,
Uh-huh.
they're all over Facebook Marketplace for next to nothing.
Are they?
Yeah. Like your Mavic Pro.
Yeah, yeah.
If I wanted to buy one,
Yeah.
I could buy.
Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Altitude. Today I'm going to unbox the Crystalsky monitor system that I got from DJI. And the reason for that is because I'm tired of using my phone as my monitor. And the other day I dropped it, ran it over with the lawnmower. So now it has a cracked screen. Well, the main thing with this is the fact that I got to take it out of my case, which in this case didn't help it any, and stick it in my controller, then monitor with just this little screen. And the other fact is you've got to plug it into the side, get it in here just right, and then when I'm using it, I can't use it for anything else. I want to be able to have the freedom to monitor, especially before you fly. I want to be able to look up or even call a control tower and let them know I'm flying that area. I want to be able to text the forest ranger that's in charge of that area that I'm flying in, and so many other things that I can be doing with my phone. And of course this is specifically for drone monitoring, and I felt that that was needed because I want to be able to keep it with my equipment all ready to go when I go. Taking the phone out of it, out of the case, sticking it in here, then going in, and then a lot of times it freezes. Now what do? You know, I want a system that's set up specifically for my DJI drones. And in this case, the Phantom, the Mavic Pro for one, and then I've also got the Phantom 3 Pro. So between the two of them, I want to have just the system set up for just that. There is the option of using the different iPads, which is what's recording this, is the mini iPad, and that's another way to do it. But again, you want the system designed specifically for what you're doing. And like I said, using my phone for the plugging it into the controller and then doing what you need to do with it is just not what I want to do. I want to be able to use the right equipment for the right job. I still haven't even opened up the goggles yet, which I will be soon. I know those are the goggles have had a bad reviews, so, but I've had them almost a year now. I've been paying on them, and I haven't even opened up my box to check them out yet. But there was another situation where you're using your phone again as an app. Yeah, likes to do all these sliding in and out of the boxes. Oh. There you go, boys and girls. There she is. You can see the monitor is just about the same size, isn't it? Just about the same size as my phone. And definitely smaller. And definitely smaller than my iPad. Crystal sky. There's your battery. And from what I understand, it did not come with a charging unit. Got here. Oh yeah. Okay, 2 battery chargers, or a battery charger for 2 batteries. Okay. So you gotta have the plug set up. Huh. So that trying to figure out what to use as a charger. Let's see what it says in the book. I think it said it was the same. Where's my glasses? I just took my glasses off. Hiding my glasses somewhere. Okay, so charge the battery for the first time to activate it. Okay. Okay, so it's going to go like that.